Hello everyone, I am Magbilang from 8 Fidelity, and today I will be discussing about the lineal system of classification and the 5 species that I found at home. So let us start with classification. What is a classification? This is an orderly arrangement of objects, ideas, or information into groups. And what is a lineal system? These are living organisms that are classified into groups depending on their characteristics. Now, let us move on to the 5 species that I found at home. The 5 species that I found at home are butterflies, lizards, ants, which are black and red ants, and snails. Now let us begin. Dogs are domesticated carnivorous mammals that typically has a shout and acute sense of smell, non-retractable claws, and a barking, howling, or whining voice. So the lineal system of dogs. The kingdom of dog is Animalia. The phylum of dog is Chordata. The class is Mammalia. Order Carnivora. Family Canidae. Genus Canis. And lastly, species is Lupus. The second species that I found are butterflies. So, what do you feel when you see butterflies? They are really colorful, right? Butterflies has their unique and colorful wings. Butterflies have 6 legs and 3 main body parts: the head, thorax, and the abdomen. Now, the lineal system of butterfly is kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Lepidoptera, family is Papilionidae, genus is Papilio, and lastly, species is P. glaucus. So the third species that I found at home is snails. So snails possesses a soft tube-shaped body, a muscular foot for locomotion, small eyes at the top or the base of the main stalks. So the lineal system of snail is kingdom Animalia. The phylum of snail is Mollusca or Mollusca. The class of snail is Gastropoda. Order is Stylomanthropora. Family is Polygridae. Genus is Inflectarius, and species is Inflectarius communis. Now let us move on to the 4th species that I found at home. The 4th species that I found at home is lizards. Lizards have the scales, paired male copulatory organs, and a flexible skull. Lizards have a moderately cylindrical body, 4 legs, and a tail that is slightly longer than the head and the body combined, and movable lower eyelids. Now let us move on to the lineal system of lizards. So the kingdom of lizards is Vicaria, phylum is Animalia, class is Reptilia, order is Pomata, family is Gecko-nidae, genus is Gecko, and species is Gecko. Now, let us move on to the last species that I found at home, and this species is ants. So, ants can be seen when you drop a little bit of sugar, or when you have food, when you have a leftover food on the plate, and later on, you notice ants already going to the food. I know it's sometimes annoying. So, ants have 6 legs. They also have large heads with compound eyes, elbowed antennae, and powerful jaws. So, the lineal system of ants is, the kingdom of ants is Animalia, the phylum of ants is Arthropoda, the class of ants is Insecta, order is Hymenoptera, family is Formicidae, genus is Aerodontimex, and lastly, the species of ants is Purpureus. So these are all the 5 species that I found at home, and the lineal system of each one of them, and also the meaning of them or their characteristics. So, once again, I am Magbilang from 8 Fidelity, and this is my project in science. Thank you.